Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Thailand Timmy here, and if you are a backpacker and you're thinking about going to Thailand, whatever you do, this vlog is for you. Let me just walk you guys through what's going on here. Number one, this is my backpack for 2 months in Thailand. What I like about this backpack, it's small and it has the USB cable on the side, so you can put your phone in the pocket, and inside you connect your battery pack and you're good to go. Let me show you all the crap I'm about to stick into this backpack. Right here is everything I plan to stick into that little backpack for 2 months in Thailand. Let me walk you through what's going on. Number one, you don't see a lot of clothes, right? Okay. First off, every single hotel in Thailand will do laundry for you. And self-serve laundromats are everywhere. And there are businesses in every city, town, and village that will do your laundry for very, very cheap. 1, 2, 3 pairs of underwear. I'll be wearing one. 1 pair of socks. The only reason I bring socks is, number one, it's cold on the airplane, and I will be in the north of Thailand where it can get chilly at night. 1, 2, 3 pairs of shorts. You don't need long pants in Thailand. I don't see why anybody would bring jeans to Thailand. It's hot as hell, okay? I will also be wearing 1 pair of shorts on the plane. I will be also wearing this. It's a rolled up pair of very loose pants, kind of like doctor pants. I have a long sleeve, very light jacket, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 micro polyester shirts. Thailand Timmy super tip, don't bring cotton t-shirts. The thing about micro polyester is it's light, it's breathable, and you don't get soaked like cotton when you're walking around hot-ass Thailand. This time, I added something cool. My hammock, for obvious reasons. Okay, right here, my, I guess, sundries, they're called. Always buy a travel size. You can always re-up in Thailand. Mouthwash, toothbrush, comb, and a little thing of sunscreen. I always carry 2 lighters and a pack of matches for backup because, you know, sometimes things need to get lit. Earbuds, always have earbuds with you. Number one, you can rock out whenever you want, and if you're renting a scooter in Thailand, you should have your earbuds in so you can listen to the Google lady tell you where to go. This is all of my filming crap and my iPad. I need reading glasses, so I bring the collapsible fold-up kind and stick them in there. 2 pairs. Sunglasses. You're going to need those. I always have Thai baht. Every time I go to Thailand, and this is what, my 6th time, I always keep my Thai baht, so when I return and I need cash when I land, I have it ready to go. 1,600 baht is more than enough to get me from the airport, get me food and anything else. Always carry loose Thai baht because you might need a cup of coffee in the airport or the train station, and the 10 baht coffee only takes coins. Okay, here we go. I did forget to mention shoes. This is what I wear. You don't need shoes. This is all you need in Thailand. Okay, here we go. And there you have it, boys and girls. This is how you backpack in Thailand. Thanks for watching, guys.